Mr. Speaker, every shilling of development begins with every shilling of revenue collected fairly, efficiently and transparently. To boost revenues, the government will continue to strengthen implementation of the national tax policy and medium-term revenue strategy, aimed at simplifying tax laws, rationalizing tax expenditures and creating a fair, predictable and efficient tax systems. Mr. Speaker, the Kenya Revenue Authority has intensified reforms to modernize tax administration, enhance compliance, and improve service delivery through technology and innovation. Notable progress has been made in expanding the electronic tax invoice management system, with over 655,000 taxpayers now onboarded, significantly enhancing transaction visibility and strengthening VAT compliance. Integration between iTax and customs systems has improved end-to-end taxpayer visibility, while the rollout of the electronic rental income tax system has simplified, I want to repeat that, while the rollout of the electronic rental income tax system has simplified compliance with the rental sector. So we have already implemented a system that I think some people are still dreaming about out there. Mr. Speaker,